Hello guys, it's me again. I hope you guys are doing great, you're being safe, and you're staying home and watching your hands by everything you touch. So today, in science class, we are going to be making a fossil. More specifically, a mold fossil. So before we start making our fossil, I'm going to discuss with you really quickly all of the materials we're going to need to make this fossil. Okay, so the first thing you're going to need is a reusable plastic bowl. Now the second thing you're going to need is clay. You can use any color of clay. The other thing we need is tiny figurines. You can use any type of figurines, or you can also use shells like this one right here, or even leaves. The last thing we're gonna need now is glue. Guys, now that you know and saw all of the materials we need, let's get started on making our fossil. So first, we are going to get our plastic reusable plate right here. The next thing we need is our clay. Now with the clay, you are going to put it here and push it until you cover all of this part of the plate. You're going to start by doing this. Until it looks like this. Now the next part is putting all of the things you chose to be fossilized, like so. Leave them there in the bowl for at least 5 minutes. Remember to pressure really hard on the clay so it leaves an imprint on it. Now, very carefully, you're going to get them out of the clay. Now, as you can see, the figurines, the leaves, and the shell left an imprint. Now we move for the second part of the making of the fossil. Now we move to the second part of making a fossil, which is going to be the glue. You're going to open the glue and you're going to introduce the glue inside very carefully where you placed your figurines, like that. Now that you have put glue on it, you have to give it 24 hours to dry off. And I guess we will see the results the next day. You guys, so as you can see, it's been 24 hours. So now please send me a video of how your fossils turned out and explain to me, what did you use to make them? Did you use figurines like I did? Did you use shells, leaves, rocks, or anything else? Please, I'll be waiting. Bye!